everyone and welcome to Housey. My name is Purva and today we will be revealing the teaser of Rustomjee Group new launch project Rustomjee Prive, located in Kalanagar, Bandra. As you can see, we are standing at the actual location of the project right in front of the land parcel. And now let me show you the land parcel of this project. So this is the actual land parcel of our project. This is the actual location of the project. This is Nana Saheb Dharma Adhikari Road. This project is diagonally opposite to Rustomjee Seasons. This is the neighborhood of our project. In this video, we will be talking about points like project overview, location, amenities, carpet area, booking process, launch discount offers and many more. But first, let me tell you what is Housey. Housey is India's first real estate platform that connects developers directly to the home buyers, thereby giving you a bottom rate price. Unlike other current listing platforms where if you do an inquiry, your number is shared with different brokers. Resulting in a lot of phone calls. But Housey is one such real estate platform where listing is done directly by the developer. So book your dream home today with your favorite developer through Housey. Talking about the project overview, this project is spread across the land parcel of 0.55 acres with one tower that will have 3 wings, each wing having ground plus 20 residential floors, having 2 BHK and 3 BHK premium luxury apartments. Talking about the location and connectivity, this project is located bang on Nana Saheb Dharma Adhikari Road, MIG Colony, Kalanagar, Bandra East, with Western Express Highway at a distance of 800 meters, BKC Metro 300 meters, railway station at a distance of 1.5 kilometers, BKC connector at a distance of 3.5 kilometers, and BKC within a distance of 500 meters from the project. Talking about the amenities, this project has 20 plus ultra luxurious amenities with swimming pool, open screening zone, yoga center, double heighted banquet hall, kids play area and many more. Talking about the configuration, as said, this project has 2 BHK and 3 BHK premium luxury apartments with 2 BHK in the carpet area of 781 plus square feet and 3 BHK carpet area ranging between 1082 and 1318 square feet. Also, for details like pricing, brochures and plans, you can click on the link mentioned in the description below. Talking about the booking process, the booking windows will open soon. Till then, the client can come and visit the site and the sales team will explain you the complete project overview and give you the plans and pricing. And then if the client likes the project, they can book by paying a token amount. Token holders will get exclusive discounts like exclusive launch discounts. EOI clients will be given additional discounts over and above others. Second, they will also get inventory selection, which means the clients will be called first on the day of the launch and they can select their own choice of flat.
If you have any queries related to the project like pricing, exclusive pre-launch discounts, EOI process, brochure, or you want to do a site visit, you can click on the link mentioned in the description. Our NRI clients from UAE, US, Singapore, UK and other countries can also connect with us on the same link. At last, if you like this video and to watch more such new launch teaser videos, subscribe to our channel Housey.